Hi, very good day I say to the Professor Madhya, Dr. Atu Jalil Bingoma. My name is Wong Kun Singh and my number metric is 190336. And today I'm going to present about the company background of Evergreen Viable Berhad. So as you can see, the Evergreen Viable Berhad is a Malaysia-based company who is engaged in the manufacture of media LCD fireboard and wooden furniture. And the company segment include Malaysia, Thailand, and others. So on others, we can see the Evergreen Fibers Berhad is one of the company in Malaysia that has successfully made the best of plain rubber wood. Recently, they are listing on Bursa Malaysia. So Evergreen is an integrated producer of quality engineer who-based product made from media density fireboard, which is called NDF. So it is about a dedication to customer need and a commitment to constantly produce a new and better products. So we can see that the Evergreen Viable Berhad is started in 1972 as a timber trading and final manufacturing company, which is Evergreen Timber in Singapore, and they have market demand and expand its production for manufacturing media LCD fireboards and particle board and others. And until 2020, we can see the EFC incorporate in the Malaysia. Okay, for the next, we can see the core business of the Evergreen Viable Berhad. Okay, the Evergreen Viable Berhad, they have manufacturing the media LCD fireboard with NDF. And there is an ideal alternative to solid wood and plywood. The media density fireboard is an engineered wood composite board that is rapidly replacing other material in the wood-based product market. So it has advantages include high strength, easy of processing, good weathering property, and ability to be made from a wide variety of variable material. So for the next, the core business of Evergreen Viable Berhad is the produce particle board. So we can see the Evergreen particle board surface are excellent for application of furnace, high or low pressure laminate, melamine, and paper overlay. The Evergreen particle board is used as the core material in the construction of home and office furniture, serving and kitchen cabinet, as well as commercial and institution furniture. So I will pass to the next presenter.
So I will continue our group presentation by present about the competitive advantage by using the Porter's model. So in the Porter's model, we have three things to point out, which is the first one is about the cost leadership, second is about the differentiation, third is about the focus. In the cost leadership, is about how the firms are set out to become a low cost producer in industry. So for the Evergreen Fiberboard, there are things that they do to make sure the cost is lower, which is the first one is to revamp the cost structure with significant cost cut. Second is consolidate production lines to extract optimal efficient. And third is eliminate unprofitable orders, thereby reducing pressure to obtain more wood. And fourth is control and diversify wood resources, which is tropical woods and stumps, and to reduce cost of wood. And lastly is diversify product offering to increase proportion of thin and low emission boards. So this is the 5 things that they do to make sure their cost is lower to reproduce their product.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suhaili Izzati binti Hassan and my metric number is AP190381. I would like to present about my part which is differentiation. Differentiation involves making your product or service different from and more attractive than those of your competitors. How you do this depends on the exact nature of your industry. To make a success of a differentiation strategy, organization need, first one is do a good research, development, and innovation. Evergreen Everlight furniture made entirely from quality evergreen board is light and easy to carry and is therefore well accepted by consumer. Using an innovative flashing technique that combines MDF with particle board, Evergreen reduced the material cost and wood content of its furniture product. And the second is the ability to deliver high quality product or service. Such as material survey supported by leading-edge manufacturing equipment from around the world to ensure maximum productivity and quality is delivered every step of the way. The Crem team is constantly doing survey works on new wood species which could be turned into raw material for fiberboard making. And lastly, the effective sale and marketing so that the market understand the benefit offered by the differentiated offering. Such as Evergreen BPMS allows for maintenance tasks and job order to be managed centrally, improving communication across site. BPMS enhance stock control and make it easier to complete customer order within given time frame, such as managing moisture. Immediate result can be seen from reduced transportation costs from excess moisture, saving in water usage from dust subtraction and clean out, less wear and tear on equipment, dye to ash and dust building, and preventing blockage on the conveyors, resulting in shutting down the boiler. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vinod Kumar Raju and my matrix number is AP190454. Now I'm going to explain about the third strategy, which is cost-focused strategy. A cost-focused strategy is when a business attempts to attract customers based on price. Companies who use the strategy aim to offer the lower price on the market for their goods and service by undercutting their competitors' price. Companies that use this strategy often aim to serve a specific segment target market. A focused cost strategy also aims to reduce operationally cost within the business as much as possible. For this reason, people often confuse cost focus with price focus. Price focused enterprise look for a way to reduce the price they pay for the stock and try to sell the item in a lower price possible. There are numerous benefits to using a cost focused strategy. Which one is emphasize customer, the second is aid your branding, the third is efficient supply chain, and the fourth is low operationally cost thanks to automation and technology, and large quantity of stock, and the last was faster product turnover through process automation. Thank you.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, Dr. Jalil. But I want to present about future potential for Evergreen. Before that, okay, my name is Muhammad Fidabil Rosli. My matric number is AP190216. Okay, so for the future potential for Evergreen is we can see what Evergreen can do is now what actually they already have is a present about 302,000 million ringgit worth of 80% of its MDF is exported to customers in over 40 countries, including US, Vietnam, China, Japan, Taiwan, South Korea, and actually Georgia. Okay, so next, what we can see, Evergreen when make new plans include expanding manufacture facility, establishing shipping operation, and a glue resign plan, as well as coming out with the new product and design. So the last is as a leading producer of MDF in the country, Evergreen is moving forward strategically to tap this rising demand. Okay, that's only. Thank you.